And now for building the UI, open your manifest.json and create an action. If you want to open a pop-up, declare the default pop-up HTML and title of your pop-up. And if you want to interact with the web page, register your content scripts. In my case, I registered the content.js, and that script is declared in webpack config as an entry point to extension content TypeScript file. And what it does, it interacts with the web page, collecting number of headings, paragraphs, blocks, time to read, where I hard-coded an average speed of 200 words per minute. I might change that in the future and let the user decide what's the average speed of reading. And your pop-up HTML, the basic HTML is defined in the public directory because it doesn't change. And in my case, I set up the pop-up to bootstrap React. You can use any kind of framework. It doesn't have to be React. It can be Angular, it can be Vue, but I prefer to work with React. And definition for main.js is in webpack config, and it points to index file. And index file, if you work with React, this one is similar. So it just bootstraps your React app. And my app is just a single component that displays the data it gets from the content script. To communicate between pop-up and a content script, you do so with message passing. In this example, I registered a Chrome message listener on the content script. And this is the part of the logic that extracts data from the web page. And when the data is extracted, it sends a response back to the caller. And caller is our pop-up component. On initialization, it sends a message, get content.